Gator Pit, Texas. Gator Pit's 2448 two-door, 1/4-inch thick steel offset firebox with a golf cart off-road package, gas assist firebox, D-rings, tuning plates, Gator gauges, stainless steel handles on all doors to include the firebox door, adjustable air vents, SS wheels, all-terrain tires, side access door, removable T-handle for your steering mechanism, 2-inch brass ball valve that's going to get attached. There's your 1/2-inch welded D-rings, big wrap over firebox, shelf inside, upper and lower sliding meat racks, grill ability as well, propane tank holder for your gas assist right there, quick connect hoses, valves, all that's there, detachable LP propane tank holder inside your gas assist, and your heavy duty fire grates, 1/4-inch thick. Actually, they're a little thicker than 1/4-inch fire grate. Big beautiful pit. This is going out tomorrow to a customer. Just a all around beautiful Gator Pit. See ya.